YouTube. Good evening, fellas. I know it's kind of late, but I was over here at the gym hitting it hard. And lo and behold, guess who I runs into at the gym? I'm outside. I just got through finishing my workout. I was in there for about maybe 3 hours. I ran into no other than Chi-Town's own Minister Jap. We didn't really talk much. We kind of chopped it a little bit. And I let him have his space. He let me have my space. And I asked him why he was out this way. And he said, because this is the 24-hour fitness that's the closest to him. And I'm like, yeah, that's the same reason why I'm here. But it was good seeing the brother. He's in good shape. He looks a lot heavier on videos, but seeing him in person, yeah, he's fit. You know, he's really fit. So shout out to Minister Jap. You know what I'm saying? Church check in. Church check in. But that was a good thing seeing that brother, you know. I said I was going to come back to you all I said I was going to write down some stuff because I knew I was going to miss a lot of things. But I wrote some stuff down to bring you a part 2 to the red flags, because I know a lot of young men need to hear this, because I'm sure we all fell for these little missteps. Let's call it missteps, because we didn't know what they were, and we didn't know the consequences of letting things like this, excusing things like this. So let me just get right into it, give you something quick, and hit these points I wrote down. I don't know how many this is, and I'm just gonna go through them real quick and give you this, and then we're gonna move on to another subject. But don't meet her friends unless you just absolutely have to, because 9 times out of 10 they're not gonna like you. Okay, they're not gonna like you. That's just how it is. So it's best not to meet the friends, because you're really just trying to get to know her. So first find out if you like her, and can you stand her to be around her before you go to meeting friends. So don't worry about the friends. And also, do not let her meet your friends, especially your best friend. Okay, for you younger guys who still got best friends, do not let her meet your best friend or your friends, period. All right? You don't need to commingle y'all friends groups. You don't need to do that. You just need to try to get to know her. So don't commingle you all's friendships. If she eats a lot of junk food, get out of there, right? Because if she eats a lot of junk food, what is she gonna feed you? Junk food. That's not good. If you want to have a baby with this chick and she eats a lot of junk food, that's the kind of mother you would want for your child? Of course not. So get out of there, because she ain't gonna stop eating it for you. You can ask and just see what she does, but more likely she's not gonna do it, because she's gonna look at that as you trying to control her. Never mind the health aspect of it. Don't buy her no gifts. No birthdays, no Valentine's Day, no Christmas, no nothing. If anything, give her a card. Give her a thoughtful card and see her reaction. If she don't take kindly to you giving her cards, and she tries to jump all down your throat about it because you didn't buy her a gift, get out of there. Because she definitely ain't gonna buy you no gifts. What else? If she smokes, vapes, or drink alcohol. Me, I don't like women that smoke, drink, or does vapes. Get out of there, because that's another part of being unhealthy. You wouldn't want to have this woman to be your baby's incubator. So don't do it. Get out of there. If you catch her in any little white lies, chances are she's going to be concealing big lies. So if you catch her in small lies, get out of there. These women are only for small time or short time hookups. Do not get serious with these women. I'm going to keep saying that. If she ever says she doesn't have to listen to you, you're not her father, get out of there. That's a feminist trope. If she asks you to pay for any part of her schooling, get out of there. It's not your job to pay for her schooling. It's your job to pay for your own schooling, right? And your own debts, your own student loan debts, your own credit cards. It's your responsibility to pay for your own and her responsibility to pay for her own. If she asks you to do it, get out of there. Because her education, chances are, is not going to benefit you. What else I have? If she's always sick or has some type of medical condition, get out of there. Because you won't be able to make her better. And she's going to just basically be a negative Nancy, always sick, and pull you down. So you can't really help her. Get out of there. What else? Hold on. Let's see what else. I can't even read my own handwriting. I wrote it so fast. Oh, if she takes too long to text or call you back, be suspicious. It's the reason why she's taking too long. If she ever tell you we don't need to wear a condom or we don't need condoms, you need to be suspicious. Wear the condom regardless of what she says. But just by the mere fact that she told you do not wear a condom, that means she's been telling this to other guys before you. So be careful. What was the one I couldn't read? Let's see. Oh, if she asks you how much money you make. A good way to handle that one is, soon as she asks you, you turn right around and say, oh, well, you tell me how much money you make. More likely, she's not going to be making as much as you. So she'll be quick to offer up that information. And when she does, you still don't tell her. Ain't none of her business how much money you make. All right, what else we got? Gamer chicks. Be careful. They starting to use this gamer community as a hookup culture because they know there's a bunch of simps and lonely dudes out there with a lot of money, right? So be careful of gamer chicks, especially if she got a lot of friends in the gaming community, because a lot of those dudes be straight up simps and they'll simp out real quick if she look nice. So be careful of gamer chicks. If she has any kind of weave, ridiculously long, colorful colors, all these rainbow colors, green, blue, purple hair, get out of there. Do not even attempt it. If she's overly flirty with guys, get out of there. Get out of there. If she has way too many tattoos, more than you, get out of there. Now you can hit it and quit it, but do not get serious with these type of women. Okay? One tattoo is cool. We can chalk that up for indiscretion, right? If her car is always junky and her house is junky, get out of there. If she drives muscle cars, you know, Hellcats, Corvettes, stuff like that, not a good thing. Get out of there. Hit it and quit it. If she a gym rat and she don't want you to come to the same gym she's in, get out of there. Be suspicious. If she won't answer your questions directly, she always got a deflection. Hit it and quit it and get out of there. If she can't cook and will not learn, hit it and quit it and get out of there. If she asks you to pay her bills, get out of there. If she always pays her bills late, get out of there. If she always bad mouthing her exes, and she was always an angel in every situation, hit it and quit it and get out of there. If she's ever dated the weed man or the pill man or the drug dealer, gang bangers, hit it and quit it and get out of there. If she bring up any of the feminist tropes, hit it and quit it and get out of there. So that's all I got for right now. I just wanted to give y'all a few extra ones that I missed. And also, we got enough guys. So ones that I missed, guys, put them in the comment section because a lot of brothers can learn from this. I'm sure I missed some, and I'm sure you guys can help me fill in the gaps. So put the ones that I may have skipped over or forgotten or didn't remember to talk about, add it to the chat, and we can all comment about them, so we all are on point with all of the red flags that's out there. So let me go because I ain't got much memory. So I'm gonna let it go here. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope everybody's doing fine. And I'll come back at you tomorrow. Peace and hair grease.